Application for Untitled Blass. Mas madalas po to sa mga Windows sa mga bahay po kasi mas mura siya and mas common. Next po. Next card. Ginagamit din po siya sa tabletops and shower screens. Pero sa shower screen po, yung ginagamit is yung frosted type na Untitled Blass. Next card. Heat strengthened glass. Ito naman po sa mga commercial complexes kasi mas matibay po siya kaysa sa annealed glass. Next.
Heat strength.
Tempered glass. Yan, sa mga mobile phones and solar panels. Kasi mas mataas po yung thermal resistance ng tempered glass. Next. Laminated glass. For windows and aquariums. Dito po ina-apply yung mga laminated glass kasi matibay po itong glass na to eh. Sa mga banks and jewelry stores, may mga laminated glass din po ito. Next. Painted glass. Dalawa po yung types na ito, back painted glass and stained glass. Mas madalas ito ginagamit for aesthetic purposes lang. Next. Next. Ayun. Stained glass, madalas to sa mga church windows. Yun. Next card. Solar control glass. Madalas naman po to sa mga high-rise buildings or offices. Kasi yung sa solar control glass po, yung heat, hindi po siya makakapasok or mababawasan yung heat na makakapasok sa building. Bale, yung light lang po yung papasok sa, yung magpapass through dun sa glass. Kaya nakakababa po ng air conditioning cost. Ayun. Okay na po. Aldrin po.
Tapos na yun? Ano yung ni-report mo? Bali, applications, Janine? Applications?
Opo, sir. Application.
Sige. Okay yun. Thank you, Janine. Si Aldrin na. Aldrin, pasok.
Sige. A product defect is any characteristic of a product which hinders its usability for the purpose for which it was designed and manufactured. Usually, ang defects ay na-detect during quality control where ginagawa nila ang testing and inspections. Example of this is a bubble for glasses. Bubble is bubble or gas inclusions, hollow spaces within the glass filled with gas. It could contain one or more gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and argon, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen. Pwede rin sila mag-contain ng solid components such as small crystals completely filling the bubble volume. They're mainly created by the decomposition of raw material from fining or revolve processes. Isa pa example ng bubble is open gaseous inclusions. Bubble at the surface of the glass that are open, leaving a cavity in the finished surface. Next slide. Nuts, transparent area of incompletely assimilated gas having an irregularly nutty or tangled appearance. It may have been formed from incomplete dissolution of batch materials, reaction with refractories, or contaminations with highly refractive properties in batch materials. Next slide. Stone is an any opaque or partially melted particle of rock, clay, or batch ingredient embedded in the glass. It may have been caused by the crystallization of the glass itself or by crystal formation from reactions with refractory material or contamination. Next slide. Scratches. Any marking or tearing of the surface appearing as though it had been done by either a sharp or rough instrument occur on glass in all degrees from various accidental causes such as black rake is a chain-like scratch produced in polishing. Runner cut is curved scratch caused by grinding. A slit is a hairline scratch. Then clash or rub is a surface scratch generally caused by handling of the product. Next slide. Last, rubs. Same lang siya ng scratch except it's an abrasion of the glass surfaces producing a frosted appearance. It differs from a scratch in having appreciable width. Yan ang po sa.
Oh, tapos na yun?